What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT here, and I do not have any makeup on at the moment. I just only did my brows, but I'm on here just because I recently got my hair done in Passion Twist, and I want to share my experience having the Passion Twist and also getting it installed. I wanted to show you guys the hair I use, just my overall experience. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. First thing I want to show you guys is the hair. I want to start off with the hair that I use to get the Passion Twist. When I was doing my own research on YouTube, I was looking for more of a soft hair. I seen that Free Tress had some hair, but I just didn't like the texture that I was seeing on like people's videos. And plus, where I live, the beauty supply stores, they're very expensive. Like, if you could get it in the States. Yeah, my dog just walked in here with my freaking makeup brush. Like, she's always going through my stuff. If you're in the States, if you live in the States, you would basically be paying probably like $4.99 for the hair. Well, down here, they kind of like up the price. So it will be like probably like $8.99, $9, $10, $14 for just one pack of hair. So me, I like to budget and I like to get stuff on sale. That's just me. What I did is I looked on Amazon, okay? And you guys, I haven't even seen one person review this hair, and it's just like wow, because this hair is so freaking amazing. If you hear Bailey in the back, she's messing with something, so don't mind her. The hair, I'm gonna have the link in the description box below, because right now I remember it started with a D, but I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's like Dorche, and it came in this box. Well, it came in a box, but it came with this, it came packaged in here, and this is the hair. So it's packaged individually, and I got about like 7 packs of these hair. Take it out so you can see. Okay, so this is the hair. Let me comb it out. This is the hair. It comes individually, so you can like pick out the hair, but you guys, this hair stretches, because I thought when she like was braiding it or twisting it, it was gonna come out like probably by my breast area. You guys, this hair is like past my waist. I don't know how, but this hair, it stretches. And when I first opened it, I was like, what the heck, they sent me the wrong hair, because I don't really wear that much weave as far as like sew-in weave and stuff. So I thought this was like bundle hair, but it's not. And it also came with the hook, the crochet hook, and a couple of jewels. I don't really like to put like colorful jewels in my hair because it looks kind of childish to me, but this does come in handy if you're gonna do it yourself. This I did pay was $65, which is not bad at all. I could have done this style by myself, but it's the fact of I wanted it to come out neat. I wanted to see how it's done before I tried to attempt to do it myself. She did do the rubber band method, which I love because it ensured that my hair will be very, very tight, because like in certain parts of my hair, I have thin hair, so I didn't want it to like slip out as I wear the hairstyle, because I know with different methods, I've heard stories of the hair coming out because of the texture of the person's hair and also the texture of the hair that they purchased. How long did it take for this hairstyle to be completed? It took about 5 to 6 hours. She started around 8 o'clock on the dot, and she got done around like 1:15. So she was pretty fast. And mind you, this is a little bit smaller than what people has been getting, oh, by the way, it's individual, it's not crochet. With this hair, I got 7 packs for about $47, and that is a very good price, because I'm pretty sure if I would have bought the hair down here, I would have spent twice the amount. And I don't even think it would have came with as much hair as I got. So I'm really glad that I stumbled upon that hair. And on Amazon, when I was looking, it's so much people selling passion twist type of hair, and it's like, when you're looking for them stuff, it's so hard because you don't know who to get it from, because you're reading the comments and you don't know, like, it's just a lot. But I'm just telling you guys from my experience, this hair is bomb. And the thing is, when I got the hair, I didn't even think it was gonna be enough for my head, because I really do have a big head and I do have thick hair. So I was like, oh my gosh, I hope it's enough. But my hairstylist, I have 2 left. These are the 2 packs that I have left. So it did pretty good, and she herself was like, I love this hair. And when I told her I got it from Amazon, she was like, what? I didn't see a lot of people talking about how to prep your hair as far as getting the passion twist. When I searched up how to prep your hair for passion twist, it was just basically talking about the weave, how to prep the weave. But I wanted to know how to prep my natural hair. Like, after I wash it, do I deep condition it? Do I put some oil in it? Do I put some moisturizer in it? And it was just so hard. I had to text my hairstylist and ask her, hey, what should I do afterwards? Basically what I did was I put a little bit of oil and a little bit of moisturizer. I washed my hair 3 days prior to getting my hair done. How long do I think that this hairstyle will last? With me, depending on how I take care of it when I'm sleeping and throughout the day, that determines how long I would have it. This hairstyle is a type of hairstyle, just like faux locks. It doesn't need to be perfect. Like, it's not twisted perfectly, you know, it's not a perfect twist. So each twist has its own identity, if you would like to say it like that. But I think that this should last me probably like a month or 2, because even when it starts to, I feel like when your hair starts, if it's like looks like this, or faux locks, I don't know why I say faux locks, I feel like the more it looks older, the more frizzier it is, the better it looks. So it's all up to you and your preference. Would I recommend people to go and get this style? Yes, I recommend it, but the climate where I'm at, I wouldn't get this if I'm down here in the islands for the summer, because it's so hot. I don't really like hair on my neck like that, because one thing about me, I hate to sweat, I hate to be hot. Hey, leave that alone. Star, you want to star? Because you always, whenever I do in a video, you always want to come and mess me up. Look at the camera. I don't know why you acting shy now. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of my hair, but I just wanted to also let you know on a tip also. So with the rubber band method, she did use black rubber bands, which is ideal. You don't want to go and use color rubber bands. But I was just thinking of something. I wonder if someone would use the invisible ones, will it show like a clear, or would it show your natural hair? I'm not sure, but you can always comment down below and tell me what your experience is and how you did your hair. So as you can see, I'm at the brand new stage where you know, she didn't leave out a lot of hair to do my edges, which I should have told her that I wanted, but it was my fault. So hopefully when this starts to get old, I can, you know, pull out some hair and do my edges. But this is the hair up close. As you can see the rubber band, but you can't really see it that much because it's black. And she did it in various kind of like partings. So some partings are square and some are triangle, which I really love because it makes the hair more fuller. video quality on this is going to be very bad because I'm in my room and I'm using my phone right now. But I wanted to show you guys how I wrap my hair at night. So at night I put on my little I'd call it a rasta cap, but I'd put this on, and I'm gonna show you how it looks with me on and how I go to sleep with it on. So do not laugh at me, you guys, but this is how it looks when I go to sleep. So everything is secure, the hair is in, it's not gonna move, it's not gonna mess up. And yeah, even when I'm, you know, walking around in the house and I don't want the hair to like be all over the place, I put this on as well. But this is very good. To end off this video, I just wanted to tell you guys that my experience was very good as far as getting my hair done. The hair, how it feels, how it looks, it's a plus. I love the way my hair came out, and I have to thank my hairstylist as well. I'm going to put her information down below if you live in the St. Croix area. If you live in St. Croix, Virgin Islands. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe this video.